Gonna listen up, you wanker. JOC and Busta calling out.
Bring out. Why do you have to kill the music all the time? Just kill.
Why you think we wanna listen to your shit when the music I play?
Fucking terrorist.
Listen, you wanker. Watch out now, watch this. Hey, it's you again, and you know you disturb me. Having a good time and smoking the herb. I got a question, I'm really concerned. Tell me why the fuck you have to get on my nerve? Every time I sit back and relax in the club, you come sit next to me with your blah blah blah. Is it really that hard to mind your own business? I don't wanna sound like business, but leave me alone, I got something to do. Like listen to the beat and enjoy my moves. Open your ears and listen to the news. Music sounds better than you. Take a hike when I say 1, 2. Start your engine and take a flight to the moon. Strong one win and a weak one lose. Music sounds better than you.
Are you looking at my face bling bling? On my cellular phone it does a ring. Why not enjoy music and use it wisely for your own cause? It's amusing. Do you really have to annoy me? Stay eyes wide open like rude boy. What's the point if you ain't whipping? Why you here, sir? Only cause you like picking on someone usually lot smaller. You a man cause you feel bit taller. Stop wasting my time, just get the fuck out. Or does this a big rhyme? Boy, wait, hear me up right now. Listen good, motherfucker.
Leave me alone, I got something to do. Like listen to the beat and enjoy my moves. Open your ears and listen to the news. Music sounds better than you. Take a hike when I say 1, 2. Start your engine and take a flight to the moon. Strong one win and a weak one lose. Music sounds better than you.
What's the problem you don't seem to get about one love ace? Right now the bass crimes the style inside a place. Every party you get fucked in your head. You know black out them bed. Let me tell you how you act. You get drunk, you hustle, annoyed, that's a fact. Let the music play now. Let Tom Jones Sam, but you all about liquor. Just bam. You fuck up the scene, stop doing it. Next time come back when you're grooving clean. Now me, you heard what I say, man? You heard? Yeah, word for the big bird.
A break, I got things to do. Like listen to the beat and enjoy the booze. I would have no doubts when I had to choose. Music sounds better than you. Leave the place when I say 1, 2. Bag your shit, take your ass to the moon. Strong one win and the weak one lose.